رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching Samuel Quran online classes. Inshallah, in this class, we will start Noorani Qaida second lesson part 4. So this is the last part of Noorani Qaida second lesson. So inshallah, today we will start from dha. So I will read first and you should practice after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ظا صاد باء صاد ba. And here the first one is sad that has half shape of letter. So this is sad and the black one is ba. So we say sad ba, ta ba, ta ba, ta ba, zad alif, ضاد ألف، ظا ألف، ظا ألف، عين، عين. The letter عين is halqi letter, like throat letter, so the عين pronounced from middle part of the throat. غين، غين. And also remember that all green color letters we read with the bold sound. So repeat again. غين، همزة، همزة، عين زاء، عين za. And here the black one is ain. So just remember that this hamza shape cannot become joined with any letter like this ain. That hamza always comes alone, like here, here and here. So I hope you understand this is ain. So let's read again. Ain za, غين را، غين را، صاد عين، صاد عين، ضاد غين، ضاد غين، با عين دال، با عين دال، تا غين ذال، تا غين ذال. And the first one is ta, which has two dots. The middle one is ghain, that has one dot on top. And the last one is dhal. It is not known because they have one dot on right side and nun has one dot in the middle. So that's why this is dhal. So we read ta ghain dhal. Hamza alif, hamza alif, hamza waw, hamza waw, hamza ya, hamza ya, fa, fa, قاف قاف واو واو قاف واو قاف واو فا واو فا قاف لام فا قاف لام قاف فا لام قاف فا لام يا فا يا فا ميم ميم حاميم حاميم لاميم لاميم تاميم 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 تا تاميم تا. I hope you understand this full lesson. If you have any kind of question, please leave your message in comment section. Inshallah, I will give you reply soon. In next class, we will start lesson number 3, which name is Muqatta'at letters. So inshallah, we will meet on the next class.